If you have 7.5 million and you are out there looking for a very good investment opportunity, then this video is for you. So right now on hand, we have 7 industrial units going at the price of $7.5 million. So of these 7 units, 3 of them come with cold room facility, and for those that are very savvy in terms of industrial investment, tend to command more in terms of rental as well as sale prices. So let me share with you a little bit more about these 7 units. 5 of them are on the first floor, 1 is on the second floor, and 1 of them is on the third floor. And of these 7 units, 6 of them range from the size of 1,006 to 1,007 square feet. And we have 1 of them going at 3,671 square feet. The reason for sale is because the owner is looking to expand his business overseas. At the same time, he is willing to rent back these 7 units at a rental of 32,000 for all 7 units. And after our investment team calculation, this is able to give you a rental yield of 5.1 to 5.4%. Fun fact, industrial units with food manufacturing license are able to command more than the normal B1 industrial units. And the reason why I'm sharing this is because out of the 7 units, 1 of them consists of a half cold room and half food manufacturing license, making it very, very attractive. Here is the investment point of view. The seller is willing to rent back at $32,000 for the next 3 years, and assuming we increase it to $33,500 for the following 2 years, this will give you a rental income of $1.956 million over the next 5 years. In terms of exit strategy, in order for the next buyer to enjoy the same 5.1% rental yield, we have to sell at a price of $7.79 million. So using this price, minusing away your property tax and every other kind of fees that you're talking at, you will still get back $1.122 million across the next 5 years. In terms of monthly cash flow, since the seller is willing to rent back at $32,000, we shall use this for calculation. Minusing away all your monthly repayment and other kind of fees, you're looking at a positive cash flow of $2,896 a month. So if we were to include your monthly principal that is coming back to you monthly, you're looking at $13,296 per month. So to end things off, here are 4 positive takeaways for you. Number 1 would be the strong rental yield, with an average rental yield for industrial properties ranging from 3 to 6%. This is on the upper bound at 5.1% with a tenancy secured. Number 2, strong tenant pool. Tenant pool in the area generally have a very good review as well as reputation. This will drive high demand for future tenants that are looking to start their business here. Number 3, long lease remaining. Compared to new industrial properties that are launching generally comes with 30 years in terms of their lease, these 7 units have a balance of 35 years, and that gives you additional 5 years worth of rental income. Last point, longer loan tenure available. The newly launched industrial properties generally come with 30-year lease, and the banks will loan you 20 years for that. But because we are 35 years lease, banks are willing to loan you 25 years instead, and that gives you additional 5 years, allowing you to leverage the low interest rates. So that's all. After hearing what our investment team have analyzed and the 4 points that I've just mentioned to you, do you think this is indeed a very good investment opportunity for you? Of course, if you like what you have just heard from us, let us know. Like our content? Subscribe for more!